jail for 2 days, I told the court that I have ADHD and they wanted me to sign an undertaking not to be in the corner of Queen and Westmoreland. And I said, listen, I walk the bridges every night. I can't sign that because I just go across the Westmoreland Bridge. Oh, you don't want to sign that? You can go to jail. That's the reason I put a complaint against Julian Dixon, which has been accepted, that people, the justice system, that people with mental disorders, they gotta have patience, and that's all I ask.
Are you satisfied with the legal aid you're going to receive?
Well, he didn't say I'm going to get legal aid. He says I'm going to have duty counsel. There's going to be a person there that's going to advise me. I had a duty counsel the first time that I was arrested. And when the judge said I'll be remanded in jail for 2 days, the duty counsel never said a word. So next week I'm going to have a duty counsel, yes, but I got some support out there. I'm just going to have to recess till talk to some people and say, okay, what are we going to do here? That this should have never been a trial in the first place.
Have you thought about changing your plea?
If I change my plea, it would be admission to guilt. And I didn't. The only thing that I went to jail for is for using a Bullhorn. Fredericton Police Force, they're against me. They've been tailing me. I've been arrested before by the Fredericton Police Force, and I got a ticket of $140 from a third-party information. And I went to see them. I said, how come I received that ticket from a third-party information? And I'm showing you evidence that Dale Graham, the Speaker of the House, and literally showed the Deputy Premier are jaywalking, and you guys won't do anything. So there's a double standard here. So they wouldn't listen. The Chief Barry McKnight wouldn't listen. So there's a double standard here. One for the less fortunate and one for the highly rich. And that's what I was protesting about. But the court is not interested to know why I was there. They say that I was loud. Can you imagine? Charles LeBlanc loud? God.
You seem to voice some concerns about what you say in your blog, maybe.
Hold the hell against me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's scary.
So what is that going to do in terms of your blogging going forward here? I guess at least for the next couple of weeks or
I think
days.
the prosecutor made herself very clear that they're going to use some blogs that I wrote. And I've been very, very angry against the Fredericton Police Force as far as calling them racist. So you could just imagine. I don't know what's going to happen. It could take a long, long time.
What could take a long, long time?
This trial. If they're going to go on and start questioning every blog that I blog, my God, I mean, I have about 40, 50,000 blogs. And if they want to go back, and what did you say this on this day, then maybe we have to call the witnesses from that blog if it's true. I mean, this issue could be blown out of proportion. This is a waste of taxpayers' money just for my freedom of speech. But what I need is a lawyer from Ontario that don't know anybody here to take this case. Harold Doherty defended me in St. John, and they didn't know Harold Doherty in St. John, and he made the cops look like monkeys, and I was acquitted. But here, I'm having a hard time to find a lawyer.
Why do you specify Ontario? I know you mean out of the area, but you specifically said Ontario.
I think
somebody specific in mind you're referring to?
No. Just somebody. You hear a lot of cases, and human rights cases, they're all usually done from the province on Ontario. They're more outspoken. They don't. They get stuff they want it done now. They give the conditions. This is what we want. But there's no fooling around like this and go on and on and on and on. It's hard. So did I make a fool of myself off the record?